Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best TENS 700 is probably one of the most popular TENS, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, machines for treating pain and muscle tension without side effects, and in this video, we will deep dive into this device, exploring its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. We will cover everything from ease of use to the effectiveness of its various programs, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase decision. Number 5. TENS 7000 Digital TENS Unit. Introducing the TENS 7000, your at-home solution for pain relief. It's a drug-free way to manage muscle pain and discomfort, offering relief from various aches and pains. Millions of people have already discovered the benefits of this device. It's a trusted choice for managing pain and improving overall well-being. For over 15 years, medical professionals have recommended it for its effectiveness. It's a reliable and effective tool for managing pain. Experience instant muscle pain relief with its multiple therapy modes. It's a convenient and effective way to manage your pain. This device is a powerful tool for targeted pain relief. It provides a professional-level experience in the comfort of your home. It's more than just a pain reliever, it can also be used as a muscle massager and relaxer. It helps with muscle recovery and overall well-being. What we like. It provides prescription-strength pain relief and acts as a muscle relaxer, helping with muscle recovery. If you need powerful pain relief and want to avoid medication, this is the device for you. It's perfect for those suffering from chronic pain or needing post-workout muscle recovery. What people say. The sensation is very relaxing and helps with pain and soreness. Easy to adjust intensity and pattern of stimulation. The unit is small and light enough to carry in a pocket and walk around with and has a nice timer with auto shut-off. I like the dial controls as well. The controls are intuitive, and the included manual explains everything clearly. The labeled dials make it easy to adjust the frequency and pulse width to suit my needs, even mid-session. The package includes plenty of electrode pads and sturdy lead wires. The unit itself is lightweight and compact, perfect for slipping into a bag when traveling. I love the carrying case, which keeps everything organized and ready to go. The build quality feels robust and reliable. It's effective, versatile, and a great value for anyone looking to manage pain without medication. Number 4. TENS 7000 Replacement Pads. Experience the convenience and quality of our replacement pads, designed for optimal performance with your TENS unit. These pads are comfortable, reusable, and ensure even current distribution for effective therapy. These medical-grade pads are now available over the counter. They're comfortable, flexible, and provide a superior experience during your TENS sessions. Enjoy extended use with these self-adhesive pads that stick easily to your skin. They're made without natural rubber latex for sensitive skin. These pads are compatible with various TENS machines, including the TENS 7000, TENS 7000 to go, and many more. They work seamlessly with your existing device. As the official replacement pads from TENS 7000, a leading brand since 2008, you can trust in their quality and reliability. Experience the difference of genuine OEM pads. This value pack provides 48 premium pads, 24 pairs, ensuring you're always prepared for your therapy sessions. Get the most out of your TENS unit with this convenient pack. What we like. This value pack offers 48 premium quality pads that last longer than others. If you're looking for a cost-effective and long-lasting solution for your TENS unit, this is the one. These pads are comfortable and ensure consistent performance, saving you money in the long run. What people say. The Electrode pads are durable, flexible, and have a comfortable feel against my skin. The adhesive is excellent, ensuring that the pads stay in place throughout the entire therapy session without any discomfort. The electrical impulses are evenly distributed, providing consistent and targeted pain relief. One of the standout features is their longevity. I have been able to use a single set of pads for several months without any decline in their performance. These are just the right size to place them in targeted areas around my back to get the best results. My physical therapist said this is the only size they will use in their practice, as the larger ones sometimes seem to unevenly spread the stimulation through the pad. Number 3. TENS 7000 Electrode Pads. Experience the convenience and quality of our replacement pads, designed for optimal performance with your TENS unit. These pads are comfortable, reusable, and ensure even current distribution for effective therapy. These medical-grade pads are now available over the counter. They're comfortable, flexible, and provide a superior experience during your TENS sessions. Enjoy extended use with these self-adhesive pads. They stick easily to your skin and are made without natural rubber latex for sensitive skin. These replacement pads are compatible with most TENS units, including the TENS 7000, TENS 7000 to go, and many more. They work seamlessly with various electrotherapy devices. As a leading brand in TENS technology since 2008, we guarantee the quality and performance of our original equipment manufacturer, OEM, replacement pads. Trust the TENS 7000 brand for reliable results. What we like? It's a cost-effective option with premium quality pads. If you need a smaller quantity of replacement pads but still want the best quality, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want the benefits of premium pads without the higher price tag of a larger pack. What people say. If you have ever had physical therapy and at the end they put a TENS device on you, this works just like that. You can adjust the intensity and time of the electrodes, and that helps relax the muscles in the body. It has really helped me, and I would recommend it for anyone needing a little more help at home. The ends stick well to the body area that you need to stimulate, and they can be reused many times. This is a very good product and has worked for as advertised. Small and compact, easy to use, definitely strong for as little as machine is. Number 2. Anrlafie TENS Unit Pads. These replacement pads are designed for your TENS unit. They offer effective pain relief and are compatible with many devices. Made with a non-woven backing and premium gel adhesive, they're reusable and easy to clean. Each pad is individually packaged for hygiene and convenience. The flexible design conforms to various body parts for a comfortable fit. They're ideal for targeting pain in arms, legs, back, and more. These pads are compatible with most TENS EMS devices that use the standard 2mm pin and connector. Easily find the right fit for your device. Made with safe, high-quality materials, they are CE and RoHS approved. They're free of harmful chemicals, ensuring a safe experience. For best results, clean and dry your skin before each use. To extend their lifespan, wash the gel under cold water, let them dry, and store them properly. What we like? These reusable pads are compatible with most devices and offer great value. If you need a universal fit and prefer reusable pads for convenience and cost savings, this is a good option. They are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for regular use. What people say. These replacement pads are of high quality and provide excellent adhesion. They stick well to the skin without irritation, making them comfortable to use for extended periods. I've used them for various muscle groups, and they contour nicely to my body, ensuring effective stimulation where I need it most. The conductivity of these pads is impressive. They transmit the electrical impulses from my TENS unit effectively, providing immediate relief from pain. I've noticed that they hold up well over multiple uses, maintaining their effectiveness even after several sessions. The pads are super tacky, adhering to the skin, but not so much as to cause any discomfort during removal. Stay in place with movement. No irritation. So far, used multiple times and still as good our first time applying to skin. The electrical connector fits tightly into the wire connecting to the TENS transmission unit. Number 1. Roscoe Medical Twin Stim. Introducing the Roscoe Medical Twin Stim, a combined TENS and EMS unit. It provides pain relief and helps rehabilitate muscle injuries, all from the comfort of your home. It offers instant pain relief from back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, and sciatica. This device is perfect for targeting various muscle groups and alleviating discomfort. This device helps in muscle recovery and rehabilitation. It's a great tool for getting back on your feet after an injury. From Roscoe Medical, the trusted name in pain relief. With over 10 years of experience, you can trust it to provide effective, drug-free pain relief. It features 2 independent channels, allowing you to control up to 4 pads simultaneously. This provides targeted relief and comprehensive muscle stimulation. Once requiring a prescription, this device is now available over the counter. Get professional-grade pain relief and muscle rehabilitation at home. What we like? It combines TENS and EMS technology for pain relief and muscle rehabilitation. If you are looking for a device that addresses both pain and muscle recovery, this is the one. It's perfect for athletes or individuals needing comprehensive muscle care. What people say. The number and variety of programs will meet your needs. For the cost, I was getting a new unit that could be returned if it wasn't compatible with the electrodes. I've used it every day, 3x daily, since it arrived. This unit came with 1 pack of electrodes. The unit has a very good, clear instruction booklet with it. And the unit is easy to use. I like the fact the controls are protected with covers. That prevents accidentally hitting the controls and getting a painful shock. It does seem to go through batteries pretty quickly with daily use, so it's probably worth also investing in rechargeable 9 volts if you foresee yourself using it more than a few times a week. When its timer runs out, it chirps at you until you turn it off, which is super helpful so you don't accidentally eat through your battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.